How to catch rabbits in Sons of the Forest. So to catch rabbits, you generally have two goals: catching them alive for breeding, or basically catching them dead for food. So the first thing you can do is making an animal trap. So open up your survival guide by pressing B on your keyboard. Switch to the structure mode right here, then go into traps right there. So you will see this small animal trap option. You can also check out other traps if you want, or there are tons of traps right here. But let's make the small animal trap. So place a trap in like a grassy area where you frequently see rabbits running. So let's try to place it right here. Once you have it right there, just of course add the materials to build it. Once that's done, you just need to wait for the trap to trigger. So once the trap is triggered, you can now walk up to it. Now once the cage is activated, you can now walk up to the trap right here and press E to basically get the rabbit right there. And here you have the options to either release it or kill it. So let's try to kill it right here. So as you can see, it automatically kills the rabbit. It snaps its neck, and you can now skin it for food. And let's say you don't have a trap, you could also use a slingshot. So as you can see, there's a rabbit right here. So let's try to use our slingshot to basically kill the rabbit. And as you can see, we now have hit the rabbit just like that. And that is how you basically catch rabbits in Sons of the Forest.